class 4th A, class 4th A, GSC. So this lesson we are studying lesson 10, our close. Lesson 10, our close. Our clothes. Lesson 10, our clothes. So in this lesson, page number 59, we are studying about the clothes. In this lesson, we have studied fibers, types of the fibers, natural fibers and man-made fibers or synthetic fibers. Natural fibers which are obtained from the natural resources or natural sources. These are from the plants and the animals. Fibers from the plant, we have studied the cotton, jutes and requires are some fibers, and these fibers are obtained from the plants. Next, fibers from the animals, wool, silk, etc. we are getting from the animals. So these are called the animal fibers. And synthetic fibers, these fibers are made by the chemical substances as nylon, rayon, polyester, etc. Fibers to fabric, we have studied this also, and we studied different type of the clothes, summer clothes and winter clothes, and also studied about the uniform. So we are studying about the specific uniform. Specific uniform. Specific uniform. In many professionals, people wear specific uniforms. People wear different clothes according to the jobs they do. Doctors, nurses, policemen, soldiers, lawyers, pilots, etc. wear special uniform at work. Students also wear school uniform. So many people we can easily recognize by their uniform. We can recognize policemen, we can recognize drivers, pilot, doctors, nurses. They are specific, they have some specific uniforms. You have also the specific uniform of one school is different from the uniform of another school, by which we can recognize as students. So next one, what we have studied, care of clothes. Next, and the care of clothes. Care of clothes. Clothes are a necessary part of our life. Clothes are a necessary part of our life. So we should take care of them. Proper care of clothing makes it last long. Clothes should be washed properly with a good detergent. So clothes should be washed properly with a good detergent. It means we should use a good quality of the detergent. Colored clothes must be washed and dried separately instead. So we should not wash the colored clothes with the white clothes, and we should wash separately both the clothes and dried separately in the shade. We should not dry them in the sun. White clothes must be dried in sun. White clothes must be dried in sun. So colored clothes should be dried in the shade, while white clothes must be dried in the sun. Next, generally silken and woolen clothes are destroyed by insects. Generally, silken and woolen clothes are destroyed by insects if not cared for. So, steps must be taken to protect them from insects. Naphthalene balls or dried leaves of the neem tree can keep the insects away from our clothes. So, along with our clothes, we should keep the naphthalene balls. You have seen your mother; she is keeping naphthalene balls in the boxes where they keep their clothes. The naphthalene balls protect the clothes from the insects. Dried leaves of neem tree can keep the insects away from our clothes. Sometimes we can keep the dry clothes, keep the dry leaves with our clothes. Now next, fine quality silk clothes or woolen clothes. Fine quality silk clothes and woolen clothes require dry cleaning. They are spoiled by wet washing. So, fine quality silk clothes and woolen clothes must be dry cleaned. If they are wet washed, they will get spoiled. Always use hangers to keep ironed clothes in the wardrobes. Always use hangers to keep ironed clothes in the wardrobes. Next, minor damages such as broken buttons or tears should be mended on time. If buttons are broken, they must be mended on time. So what you learned? Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust, and insects. Second, clothes are made either from natural or synthetic fibers. Third, people wear different types of clothes depending upon the seasons and the occasions. Neat and clean clothes make us look smart. People care of clothes make them last longer and more to know. hand woven clothes are khadi is considered to be the best material for clothing. Gloves, socks, tie, handkerchief, straps, hats, etc. also come under clothing. Cotton clothes can be stitched and ironed properly. And word powers are given. You can read word power yourself also. More to learn also. Read yourself. Next day we will start your sheet 10. Thank you. That's what we done.